Hello guys! Welcome to the 4th English class.
Today we are going to learn about the connectors. João, what is the connectors?
Well, the connectors are words that link two sentences together. So, let's start with contrast.
For example, but. This book was short, but it was good.
In spite of. In spite of being short, it was good.
Although it was short, this book was good.
In spite of the fact. In spite of the fact this book was short, it was good.
However. This book was good, however it was short.
In one hand, on the other hand. In one hand, this book was short, on the other hand, it was good.
Whereas. I like this book, whereas he didn't.
So, number 2, reason and cause. For example,
Because. I like this book because it was good.
due to. Due to the fact this book was short, I liked it.
In order to. In order to read the book faster, I read every day.
So, number 3, add information. For example,
I like doing exercises. For example, yoga, running, etc.
such as. I like reading comics, such as Spider-Man comics.
Apart from running, I like doing yoga.
Number 5, express personal opinion. For example, as far as I am concerned. As far as I am concerned, working from home is not as good as it sounds.
In my opinion, summer is better than spring.
Number 6, succession. For example, first of all, let's talk about business.
In conclusion, this was the class about the connectors.
We hope that you are okay.
See you in the next time. Bye bye.